Hello, miss. Hello, miss. We have the kids today.
Hi, what can I get for you guys?
I don't know to tell her which candy you want, all right?
Can I get a rainbow swirl pop? I'll take a cherry blow pop. I'll take a watermelon blow pop.
Right.
Coming right
up. Hold on. What is a whirly pop? What is a blow pop? What are these things? What's blowing? What's popping?
A swirl pop is our signature 6-inch lollipop right there.
That massive lollipop up there, sir.
Yeah.
Wait a sec, yo. Fire for that!
Oh my God.
We don't do lollipops. Hardball, pan stick, a suck, yo. We don't do that. All under the candy, all on it right now.
I will just take Gushers.
Sure.
Gushers coming right up.
Fire for that!
Oh my God, sir,
we don't
what's
do
the issue?
That gushing on the mouth. No, yo, miss. You have gummy beer?
Yes, sir.
Give me all of our gummy beer and that's it for the day.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Right, so we tell her that's Saturday or Friday. Right. You're right. Hold on 1 second. I'm there in this special drinks for the kids that me don't know.
Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Hello, miss. Hello. I'm going to tell her which drink you want. Me just want the water.
Hi, can I get a mango bubble tea, extra balls? And we want blueberry. Alrighty, coming right up. Right. Mango and blueberry bubble teas.
What is a bubble tea? What is bobo tea? Bubble? What is that?
It's like a cold milk-based tea that we have different flavors of.
Hold on. Are those black balls in the drink?
Yeah, those come in all of them for extra flavor.
Fire for that!
Oh my God!
Digest balls,
sir.
When I get a water.
Oh my God.
We don't do those things, yeah, man. Yo, we want 3 water and 2 Sprite. That's it.
Oh my God, okay.
We don't do
Right up. I'm sorry.
Balls in a tea. Yeah, right. Hold on 1 second. I'm there mad with these kids and try to get them something to eat. Hold on. All right, what do you want to eat? What do you want to eat? Which store you want to eat from, me?
Can we get Nathan's? Yeah, I kind of want a hot dog.
Nathan's? With that food court and you said Nathan's?
Oh my God, sir, is everything okay?
Yo, fire for that!
Oh my God.
Choose another store right now. We don't eat Franks. We don't eat hot dog. No, yo. What you want to eat, eh?
I guess sesame chicken.
Burger?
Yeah.
All right. It is burger and Chinese food. That's what we are going to eat. And have the nerve to tell me you want to eat Nathan's. You must be mad.
Oh my God, look at the kids. Like, why is he screaming?
Okay.
Dude, I'm at the food court and this Jamaican guy's like spazzing like crazy.
Hello, miss.
Hi, what can I get for you today?
Tell her what you want.
Can I get a Boston cream donut? A Boston cream? No problem.
Hold on. I want a Boston cream donut. What that?
Oh, that's our donut. It's like filled with a custard cream in it.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Fire for that!
Oh my God, is everything okay?
Yeah, man. No man for biting a donut and cream and gushing on your mouth. No. Miss, we not get that. We don't do those things. Order another donut right now.
All right, can I get a glazed donut? No problem, coming right up.
Fire for that!
Oh my God, sir, is everything okay?
No man for eat glazed donut with dry up white cream upon it. Yo, miss, me want 2 regular donut, nothing pan it, all right? That's it. You man?
Yo, you, what you want?
You at the
I'm
store?
at the store now. Yeah.
Yeah, I just wanted a bag of Doritos, spicy nacho.
All right.
And then a pack of Gushers.
What?
Gushers.
No. That is the candy where you bite it and the juice gushing out your mouth.
Uncle,
Fire for that. No man for eat no candy that juice busting out their mouth when you bite it.
Bro.
Me not buy that. You get the Dorito and that's it.
Yeah, right. Hold on. Hello, miss. Hello. Yo, you want a burger? Tell her which burger you want, all right? Okay.
Yeah, I think I want a hot dog.
Right. So
yeah, I'm not really feeling for a burger.
move
Hey, can we
up
get
the
2
sheet,
hot
man.
dogs, please? Just 2 hot dogs? All right, no problem. Coming right up.
Hold on. Wait a second.
Yes, sir.
Well, come on this store for burger.
Why are you...
Burger.
Sir, why are you yelling?
I have the nerve for order hot
Oh my God,
dog.
sir, why are you yelling? Like, oh my God.
No man for eat hot dog. Fire for that. Yo, miss, we not get no hot dog eating. Yes, sir. No, we don't do those things. We get burger. 3 burger and
Yes,
that's
sir. Yes,
it,
sir.
all right?
Okay, sorry about that.
Yo, we already there in our place named Five Guys. That have a bun already. And you want hot dog on top of that? Yo. Yeah, uncle, you still at 7-Eleven?
Yeah, man. What you want?
Okay, yeah. So I just wanted the 2 bags of Doritos. Instead of the Snapple, just get me a Slurpee. Just mix the strawberry.
Hold on. What you say? What you want?
Slurpee.
Fire for that! No man for slurp, nothing. What you want, slurp?
I have it all the time. It's just a little smoothie type drink.
Look, boy, no wrong put me in a what slurp is slurp. You get water, and that's it. All right. What slurp? You must have mad. Hello, what can I get for you today?
Let me get a spicy chicken sandwich.
Okay, anything else?
A large fry, and then let me get a Sprite with that.
And is that a large Sprite?
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
Can I get a name for the order?
Oh, name for the order? AshNyc.
Bro, that's not your name. What are you talking about, bro? Is that the name?
AshNyc, that's my name.
Shorty, he lying. That's not his name.
Don't listen to him. That's my name.
Okay, coming right up.
Thank you. Shut up, bro.
Bro, what? You know that's not your name. What are you talking about, bro?
Dumb.